Alright, YouTubers, today I want to show you what I already had the cards what's in here. I want to show you what I stuck into my gold sarcophagus today. My cards, what I got to use for my Yugi deck. And I got Kaiba's cards, mixtures of different things inside these as well. Move these out of the way for this side. And yeah, I've still got Kaiba's thing, Joey's Blue Eyes, more of Kaiba's cards, and Obelisk the Tormentor, the actual god. Let me yeah, let me show you. Just look at the thing. Yeah, Obelisk, and if I turn the card around, it's got a blue thing. This is the actual thing you would get in a different version. And it's the same for this one, and on the other side it would be red for this one, and the same for this one, but it'll be yellow. So yeah, and I got some new cards in as well in this, and some more cards from a different pack thing. That's the name of the card, and the problem is, oh, if I focus, if it would focus, it says down here I could not use this card in a duel. It's too strong. And I got this from my DVD of the Bonds, not Bonds, what is it? Well, you know the movie, the new movie with Obelisk. And Dark Magician Girl, the new version. And what else I got? I got a lot of cards. And poem. And my deck is here. My Yugi deck is here. This is my Yugi deck. Oh, there goes my other cards. Yeah, I got a lot of cards I use for my Yugi deck in here. So, yeah. Just, all these in here are for my deck, for Yugi. So I keep all my cards in the sarcophagus now. So everything in here you see belongs to my deck. Show this. I'll put the others back later. So, if you liked the video, I revealed to you what of my deck. I can't show all of it because I'm holding my other hand with my phone right now. And if my voice is a little bit cracked up, it's because I got a sore throat. And that's what it's called on there. And if you guys like to buy it, just let me tell you one thing. I did get this from it. And I had these guys in it, and I would have asked for the winged dragon of war, but I got Slifer. I like Slifer the Sky Dragon. More the fact, folks, who's your favourite god monster? And another monster reborn. I'm going to put that in my Yugi deck. Okay, just if you like the tin, just leave a comment section down below. Subscribe to me, ring the notification bell, and I'll do my cards and everything on a Saturday as usual. And I'm Hedgehog. See you guys another day. Ciao.